Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to know if someone is on Instagram call. First of all, open up the Instagram app. After opening Instagram, go into DMs. You can see the friends who are online. Then, click to open any of your friends' chats. After opening the chat, go into their profile. Then get back into the inbox and click on the call icon. And as you can see, your call didn't ring for a minute, so it means that your friend isn't active on Instagram. So you cannot make a call until the person you're calling is online. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.